Question number 6 says, consider the equation of change df over dx is equal to 2f minus 6. Part A says, what is the sign of df over dx when f is less than 3? So we can just plug in a test point. And let's pick a number that is less than 3. So I'm just going to pick 2, and I'm going to plug that in. So 2 times 2 minus 6, and this is going to give you a negative 2. So all they care about is the sign. So this would be a negative. Part B says, what can you say about the graph of f versus x when f is less than 3? Well, because the equation of change was negative, we can say the original graph of f is decreasing. For part C, it says, what is the sign of df over dx when f is greater than 3? So I'm going to plug in a test point, and I'm going to pick 4, because 4 is bigger than 3. But you could pick 5 or 6 or a million if you really wanted to. So this will be 2 times 4 minus 6, which is equal to 2. Now they care about the fact that that's a positive 2. So all they're asking for is the sign, and the sign is positive. So what can you say about the graph of f versus x when f is greater than 3? Well, if the df over dx is positive, then that means f, the graph of f versus x is increasing.